We'll guide you through how to change the font in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once you're in, you need to go to the top menu and click on File. From there, select Preferences and then choose Settings. This will open up the Settings menu in a new tab. Now, you can either scroll through the settings or use the search bar at the top to type font. This will filter the settings to show only font-related options. Look for the Editor Font Family field. This is where you can change the font used in your editor. Click inside that text box and type the name of the font you want to use. Make sure the font is installed on your computer, or it won't display correctly. If you're unsure about the font name, you can check your system's font settings for the exact name. Once you've entered the new font name, simply close the Settings tab or switch back to your Editor tab. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to hit a Save button. You should immediately see the change reflected in your code editor. If you want to adjust the font size as well, you can find the Editor Font Size option just below the font family setting. Enter the desired size, and you'll see the text size adjust in real time. This customization can really help make your coding environment more comfortable and personalized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.